Hello guys, today we will be solving this problem of week 3 of August lead coding challenge called the decode phase. So let's read the problem statement. A message containing letters from A to Z can be encoded in numbers using the following mapping. A is mapped to 1, B is mapped to 2 and so on, Z is mapped to 26. Now let's take this example. So we are given a string of digits. So let's take this example. So we are given 11106. So this string can be decoded in two ways. So first off, it is 11106 and the other one can be decoded as 1110 and 6. So the first one, this after decoding, this string will be K, J and F, and the other string it will be A, J and F. So these are the two ways for this string. So let's make some observations. So first observation is that whenever we get a 0, so 0 cannot be decoded because it means not on its own, because we are starting A from index 1. So for 0 we need like only two ways 0 can exist, like either in 10 or 20. So whenever we get a 0, so we have got to check if there is a either 1 before it or 2 before it. So in that case, otherwise there will be no way to decode this string. Like for any length of a string, if there is no 1 or 2 before a 0, then that string simply cannot be decoded. Because 0 cannot exist on its own. Now there is one more important observation. So one simple observation that we can make is, so either we have either our one digit can be decoded or two digits can be decoded at max, since we have numbers from 1 to 26 only. So, and in that case also, so for any number except 0, of course, because I told you. So for any other number, if we have a 1 or 2 before it, then means it can be decoded in two ways. Like for any number like 18. So whenever we see a 8, so we will check, like if there is a 1 before it, then like either it can be decoded as 18 or it can be decoded as the whole 18 also. So let's take this example to make it clear. So for first one, this can simply be decoded as in a one way. Now for next one, there is a 1 before it, so this can be decoded in two ways. And then again we have a 2, so again we have a 1 before it, so we can see it in this way, like either we can take this 1 and 2 together, like these two, or we can simply take this 2 as alone, and we can means we can take the remaining part as it is. So if we take these two, then our remaining part is this one. 1. So for 1 we have just one way, and if we take this 2 alone, then our remaining part is this. So for this string we have two ways. So either we have a one way or we have a two way. So total we have three ways. Similarly for these two also, we can either take these two, means 22, or we can take 2 alone. So either we will have a 2 ways or 3 ways. So total we will have 5 ways, and similarly for this one we will have 8 ways. So as you can see, this is a Fibonacci sequence. So this is a question of seems to be a question of Fibonacci sequence with some modifications. So I guess we can now code this. So let's see. I have already written the code for convenience. So let's go through this. So if our first letter is 0, then that means there is nothing before that. So in that case we cannot decode that 0. Okay, so in that case all our answers will be 0. So in that case we return a 0. Next, if we have a length of 1, so in that case there is only one way to decode. So in that case we simply return 1. Then I've already got all the base cases here. So let's go for a length of 2. So in that case, if we have if our second character is 0 and we have a 1, we don't have a 1 or 2 before that. So if first s of 1 is 0 and there is no 1 and there is no 2 before that, in that case also we will return a 0. So now after covering the base cases, let's go for the start from the third index. So we are doing a Fibonacci coding. So for that we are taking 3 variables, a, b and c. So a correspond to this so let's say so here this 1 will be our a, 2 will be our b, and 3 will be our c. So let's assume this. So now so there is a one more base case. So if our second character is 0 and if first one is 1, no sorry, if our first character is not 0 and I'm sorry, your second character is not 0 and first character is 1, then we have only one case. Or if our first character is 2 and second character is from 1 to 6, because for 2 we can only have from 1 to 6. So in that case we will have 2 ways to decode. Otherwise, if we have a 0 at second place or we have any other character, then in that case our b will be 1 only. There is one way to decode, and then c will be equal to whatever the b is currently. So now let's start from I equal to 2. So if we get a 0 at any place, So if the character before that is a 1 or 2, then we can consider that case. So in that case our current sum will be equal to the previous, means the last, means the second last. Okay, so C will be equal to A and B will be equal to whatever the C is. Otherwise if we don't have a 1 or 2, in that case we will return a 0. And if we don't have a 0, in that case as usual, so either we have a 1 before that, or if we have a 2, then we will check if the current position can be only from 1 to 6. So in that case we will simply use a Fibonacci sequence. So our C will be equal to B plus A will be equal to B, and B equal to C. And if we don't have the previous character is not of from 1 or 2, then in that case our current sum will be equal to just whatever the previous sum. So C equal to B and A is equal to whatever the C is. So finally we have gone through all the cases, and then we can simply return C. So for convenience I have already submitted this problem, and we can see here. So our solution, it beats the 100% submissions, and our memory usage also beats 70%. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next.